Hello and welcome. Today we journey through the fascinating world of process excellence. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a compass that navigates businesses through the turbulent seas of the modern market. Process excellence is the lodestar that guides organizations to their destination, a state of optimized operations, improved quality, and enhanced customer satisfaction. Now imagine having two powerful tools at your disposal, tools that have been battle-tested and proven effective. Lean Six Sigma, a methodology that focuses on eliminating waste and reducing variation, and Excel, a ubiquitous software that simplifies data analysis and decision-making. Together they form a formidable arsenal, empowering you to achieve process excellence, to steer your ship with precision and confidence. This journey will be challenging, yes, but immensely rewarding. It's a journey of transformation, of continuous improvement, and of achieving excellence. So ready to dive into the ocean of Lean Six Sigma and Excel to achieve process excellence? First things first, let's unravel the mystery behind Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful methodology that combines the best of two world-renowned philosophies, Lean and Six Sigma. It's a bit like a superhero team-up, where each brings their unique strengths to the table to fight inefficiencies and defects in business processes. So what's the superpower of Lean? Well, Lean is all about speed and efficiency. It zeroes in on waste, and by waste we mean anything that doesn't add value for the customer. Think of unnecessary steps in a process, overproduction, or even waiting time. Lean swoops in, identifies these waste elements, and eliminates them, paving the way for a smoother, faster process. Now let's meet Six Sigma. If Lean is the speedster, Six Sigma is the quality control expert. It uses statistical tools to identify variations in a process. Variations are the villains here, causing errors and defects that affect the quality of the output. Six Sigma's mission is to reduce these variations, bringing about a higher level of quality and consistency. When Lean and Six Sigma join forces, you get a methodology that not only speeds up your processes but also ensures they're delivering top-notch quality. It's the best of both worlds, really. But it doesn't stop there. Lean Six Sigma is also about continuous improvement. It's not a one-time fix, but a mindset that encourages you to constantly look for ways to improve and refine your processes. It's about making small, incremental changes that add up to big improvements over time. Now that we know what Lean Six Sigma is, let's see how Excel fits into the picture. Excel, a tool we all know, but do we know how powerful it can be in achieving process excellence? Let's find out. Excel, a common tool in our daily lives, plays a pivotal role in achieving process excellence. It's not just a spreadsheet program, but rather a powerful engine that drives data analysis, statistical calculations, and process modeling. These are the bedrock of process improvement, and Excel is the vehicle that delivers us to our destination. Data is the lifeblood of process excellence. Without it, we're navigating blind. Excel allows us to collect, organize, and analyze data in a way that is both efficient and effective. We can create charts and graphs that make complex data sets easy to understand and pivot tables that allow us to quickly compare and contrast different sets of data. This gives us the insights we need to identify opportunities for improvement. Statistical calculations are another area where Excel shines. With its built-in functions, we can quickly and easily perform complex statistical analyses. This allows us to quantify the extent of our process problems, identify the root causes, and measure the impact of our improvement efforts. Process modeling is an essential part of process excellence. With Excel, we can create dynamic models that simulate our processes under different conditions. This allows us to test our improvement ideas in a risk-free environment before implementing them in the real world. But Excel isn't just a standalone tool, it complements Lean Six Sigma perfectly. Lean Six Sigma is a methodology for process improvement that focuses on eliminating waste and reducing variation. Excel provides the data analysis and statistical tools that enable us to apply this methodology effectively. In conclusion, Excel is much more than a spreadsheet program. It's a powerful tool for process excellence, one that allows us to analyze data, perform statistical calculations, and model processes. When paired with Lean Six Sigma, it becomes an unbeatable combination for achieving process excellence. Excel and Lean Six Sigma, a match made in heaven for process excellence, wouldn't you agree? Theory is good, but application is where the magic happens. Let's delve into the practical application of Lean Six Sigma and Excel. Imagine a manufacturing company, let's call it ABC Corp. They were grappling with delays in their production line and high product defects. After implementing Lean Six Sigma, they identified the bottlenecks and the causes of defects. They used Excel to collect and analyze data and visualize the process flow. The result? A drastic reduction in production time by 50% and defects by 80%. Quite something, right? Now, let's consider a hospital that was struggling with long patient wait times. By applying Lean Six Sigma, they streamlined their operations, reduced waste, and improved their service quality. And Excel, with its powerful analytical tools, helped them identify patterns and trends in patient flow, enabling them to optimize their scheduling and staffing. The outcome? A significant reduction in patient waiting time by 40% and an increase in patient satisfaction. Let's take one more example, a call center facing high customer churn due to poor service quality. They leveraged Lean Six Sigma to identify the root causes of customer dissatisfaction. Using Excel, they tracked and analyzed customer feedback and call data to make informed decisions. The result? A remarkable improvement in service quality and a decrease in customer churn by 30%. These examples are just a glimpse into the transformative power of Lean Six Sigma and Excel. From manufacturing to healthcare to customer service, these tools can revolutionize any process, any industry. Impressive, isn't it? But the journey doesn't end here. Process excellence is not a destination, but a journey of continuous improvement. And to embark on this journey, we need to keep learning. Indeed, our pursuit of process excellence is akin to sailing in an ocean of knowledge. There's always something new to discover, a fresh concept to grasp, or an innovative method to master. In the realm of process excellence, the learning never ceases. It's a continual cycle of understanding, implementing, reflecting, and refining. Often the difference between good and great lies in this commitment to continuous learning. The Lean Six Sigma and Excel methodologies we've discussed are not static. They evolve with time and adapt to changing business landscapes. To stay ahead, we must stay informed. We need to be receptive to new ideas and be ready to challenge our own understanding. Now you might wonder, where can we find the resources to fuel this continuous learning? Well, there are plenty of avenues. Online courses, webinars, workshops, industry forums, and networking events are all excellent sources of knowledge. But let's not forget the traditional, yet powerful medium of books. They provide an in-depth understanding that's hard to match. One such book is Process Excellence Using Lean Six Sigma and Excel, Green Belt Body of Knowledge by Merwan Mehta. It's a comprehensive guide that delves into the intricacies of process excellence, offering valuable insights for both beginners and seasoned professionals. To sum up, continuous learning is the backbone of process excellence. It's what keeps us moving forward, pushing boundaries and achieving new heights of efficiency and effectiveness. And that brings us to the end of today's journey. But remember, the quest for process excellence never ends. So, that was a brief overview of process excellence using Lean Six Sigma and Excel. We've journeyed together from understanding the fundamentals of Lean Six Sigma to appreciating the critical role Excel plays in achieving process excellence. We've also peeked into the practical applications of these tools and discussed continuous improvement and learning. Remember, the road to process excellence is paved with constant learning and application. Lean Six Sigma and Excel are merely tools in your arsenal, but it's your curiosity and determination that will truly drive success. We encourage you to delve deeper, explore more, and apply these concepts in your unique contexts. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you in books like Process Excellence Using Lean Six Sigma and Excel by Merwan Mehta. But before we part, tell us, what do you want to learn next? Your feedback is our guide. Until next time, keep learning, keep improving.